The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Peanut dipping sauce, known in Vietnamese as Nuoc Leo, is a rich, creamy condiment that has become the beloved companion to fresh spring rolls, fried spring rolls, and grilled satays across Vietnamese cuisine. While the classic fish sauce dip is the traditional Vietnamese table sauce, this hoisin and peanut-based version has cemented itself as the most popular dipping sauce for spring rolls, especially in Vietnamese restaurants abroad. The PDF-based recipe is elegantly simple, just 4 ingredients whisked together. The published cross-references from Hungry Hoi and Vicky Pham enrich the recipe with the addition of fragrant sautéed garlic, which deepens the flavor profile significantly. Both approaches are authentic. The garlic-enhanced version is the one most commonly served in restaurants and homes today. The crucial element is the ratio of hoisin sauce to peanut butter. This determines both the flavor balance and the thickness of the sauce. The recipe below follows the proportions from the source cookbook, enhanced with the garlic sauté technique from the cross-references. Main ingredients: neutral cooking oil, canola, vegetable, or peanut oil, 1 tablespoon. Garlic cloves, minced, 3 cloves. Water, 3/4 cup. Hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup. Crunchy peanut butter, 1/2 cup. Tamarind juice, 1 tablespoon. Optional garnish: crushed roasted unsalted peanuts, 2 tablespoons. Sambal chili paste or sriracha, 1 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the garlic. Peel and mince 3 cloves of garlic finely. The finer the mince, the more evenly the garlic flavor will distribute throughout the sauce. If you prefer a smoother sauce, you can grate the garlic into a paste using a microplane. Step 2. Measure the ingredients. Measure out all ingredients before beginning: 3/4 cup water, 1/4 cup hoisin sauce, 1/2 cup crunchy peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon tamarind juice. Having everything pre-measured makes the cooking process quick and seamless. Step 3. Prepare the tamarind juice. If you are making tamarind juice from pulp, combine 1 tablespoon dried tamarind pulp with 2 tablespoons warm water. Mash thoroughly and strain through a fine mesh sieve to yield 1 tablespoon of smooth tamarind juice. If tamarind is unavailable, you may substitute with 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice for a similar tangy note. Step 4. Crush the peanuts. If using the peanut garnish, place 2 tablespoons of roasted unsalted peanuts in a zip-top bag and crush lightly with the back of a knife or a rolling pin until coarsely ground. Set aside. Cooking steps. Step 1. Sauté the garlic. Heat 1 tablespoon of neutral cooking oil in a small saucepan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for 30 to 60 seconds, stirring constantly until fragrant and lightly golden. Do not let the garlic brown or burn, as this will make it bitter. Step 2. Add the liquids. Pour in the 3/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice. Stir to combine with the garlic and oil. The water helps loosen the sauce and creates the base consistency. Step 3. Add the hoisin sauce and peanut butter. Add the 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce and 1/2 cup of crunchy peanut butter to the saucepan. Whisk continuously over medium heat until the peanut butter is fully dissolved and the sauce is smooth and well blended. The heat helps the peanut butter melt evenly into the liquid. Step 4. Bring to a boil. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring the sauce to a gentle boil, whisking constantly to prevent scorching on the bottom. Once it reaches a boil, immediately reduce the heat to low and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. Step 5. Adjust consistency. If the sauce is too thick for your liking, add a small splash of warm water and whisk until you reach the desired consistency. The sauce should be thick enough to coat a spring roll, but thin enough to dip easily. Remember that the sauce will thicken further as it cools. Step 6. Finish and serve. Remove the saucepan from the heat. If using chili paste, stir in 1 teaspoon of sambal or sriracha now. Transfer the sauce to individual dipping bowls. Sprinkle the top with crushed roasted peanuts just before serving.